Okay, show us some karate.
You
gotta show me a kick.
Thank you, everybody.
You don't remember?
And what else? Don't you turn to the side? Don't you? How do you go to the side?
To the left, to the...
Do that again, Mason.
Do that again.
To the left, to the left, to the right.
Do your dance when you beat him in. Do your dance when you beat him in skeet ball. What is it? Air hockey.
Oh, where I choke him?
No. When you beat him
Oh,
in
yeah. At home, my dad told me to put him down on the ground and choke him and then pull on his neck.
Show me that dance that you did when you beat him in air hockey. Remember when you got a point in air hockey? Oh yeah. Remember that?
Yeah, and then I scored a point. But I didn't. Oh yeah.
Well, show me you gotta stand up and do it. Because you moved your hips, remember? Show me the dance when you scored a point.
I don't remember.
Well, show me. Stand up.
Oh, do you remember?
Yeah, but I need to see you do it so I can remember better.
Okay.
Remember when you did your hands? You were, oh yeah. Remember? When you beat him? And remember air hockey? Remember playing air hockey?
Oh, that one.
With the thing with the puck?
On the table when you were doing this?
Air hockey? What did you do when you scored?
This is not a very good parachute.
You remember.
I'm standing on the table.
Huh?
I'm standing on the table.
There's oil on the table. I just oiled the table, so be careful.
With oil.
Go ahead. You're fine. Just be careful.
No, you're fine.
Do it.
Do that right.
Like when you beat him, when you scored a point.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Remember?
Yeah. No, you went like this. Your head.
You gotta say, oh, yeah, with it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We're gonna put that on Facebook.
You're supposed to.
Can you do it? Can you do it, Mason?
Never.
You can't do that?
We should get Grandpa to do it. Come on, Grandpa, do it.
You can't do that?
Grandpa, do it.
I can't do it.
Get up, Grandpa. You gotta try it.
Break dance.
Show me
Do
that
it.
again. How do you do that again? Get up there again. Wait a minute. Let me get my. Before you do that, I stop with it. Wait a minute. Let me get mine on. Wait a minute.
Hold on.
I gotta get mine on.
Be careful. I got oil on it. Don't fall.
Hold on.
Okay, ready?
Easy. Don't jump on the table. It might break.
Ready?
Go.
Go. Got it? What are you saying? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wiggle your butt. There you go.
Say, no. Can't touch this.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't see me. Can't see me. Can't see me.
Hey, you want to see yourself? This is how you look like. Yeah.
I got Mason.
Ready?
I was showing